Hi, I'm Jesse Barksdale, manager here at Conicelli Nissan. This November, take care of your Nissan and enjoy special savings here at our service center.
Get 10% off of any repair over $300. Now's the time to handle those big needed fixes while saving big.
Need routine maintenance? We got you covered with our oil change and tire rotation specials for just $69.85. Keep your Nissan running smoothly for less.
Looking for extra coverage? Save $100 on a purchase of a Warranty Solutions contract and protect your vehicle for the long haul.
Don't forget, every Wednesday in November, we're donating $20 for every brake service to support Mission Kids. Help your car and help the community. Call 888-289-5948 or visit ConicelliService.com to schedule your service today and take advantage of these fantastic November deals.
Conicelli Nissan Service Center.
A nice place to do business.